کیا خبر کتنے تارے کھلے چھپ گئے پر نہ ڈوبے نہ ڈوبا ہمارا نبی. اللہ اللہ. He says, Allahu Akbar. He did never ever set before in the past, or nor would he ever in the future ever get set. Par na doobe na dooba hamara nabi. In the skies there are numerous stars. There are numerous stars, uncountable stars. Par na doobe na dooba hamara nabi. Numerous stars in the past have shone and set. So many people have come in the past. Ek se ek log aaye. Rich people, amir people, people that had name and fame, they came in this world and people forgot them. But my Aqā is that star, my Nabi is that sun whom people never ever forgot. Allahu Akbar. 1400 years has gone, dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel, but my Aqā's name is still shining in the sky. Allahu Akbar. His name is still Roshan. People still love him and people will continue to love him. People will continue to sacrifice their lives upon Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Kya khabar kitne taare khile chup gaye par na doobe na dooba hamara nabi.
Kya khabar kitne taare khile chup gaye. کیا خبر کتنے تارے کھلے چھپ گئے. کیا خبر کتنے تارے کھلے چھپ گئے. چھپ گئے پر نہ ڈوبے نہ ڈوبا ہمارا نبی. پر نہ ڈوبے نہ ڈوبا ہمارا نبی.